Hello, we're at week 4. Unflavored, mad, high calorie, dine for puppies. Once you go from the milk to the mush, the poop is way more excessive. So, pray for me, I'll walk out through it. I'll get you right. Not that extra shit, it's just the basic level. We'll start seeing how they react to this, then we'll start adding cool shit to it. Oh! I guess it's good. She done cleaned it up off the food. Recover and go back to living her normal life. Right, mama?
Turn out better from taking a risk. Louis V sweater, I'm sleeping in cheddar. I'm better with every new chance that I get.